my name is Lily and today I want to show you new bar table from Wisfor company. Sintered stone tabletop and iron-free legs. Don't rust, don't damage and very stable. The good item for your interior. I think this table is the best choice for your kitchen because we have several colors for choose and convenient size of the table 130 and 130 centimeters. It's bar table and you can put your legs under table for more relaxed when you drink. Scratch-proof desktop rock slab, leave no trace. This table has very high density and low leakage. Sintered stone table and fire. Our table very easy to clean. That's all sharing for today. See you next time. Bye bye!